Okay, let's get into it. See by the title what this is. Nice presentation. I'm not quite sure exactly where this comes from. I think overseas somewhere, but it didn't take very long. Had a little delay. This is the Razer Kishi. Now, I did decide to go with the, I guess if you say the first generation one. This is the Kishi that is not specifically made for Xbox. I found out, I will leave a link in the description to the differences in the two. This one, I ended up going with this one because it was $20 cheaper pretty much. And the differences are minor. You won't notice anything different about it. I will be utilizing this with my Xbox. That is my purpose in purchasing this. I had read something a few months back saying that it is the equivalent, one second, to the Xbox One Series Elite controller. So that was my main focus on wanting to get this. And I do have the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with a custom Razer case. I'm hoping the case does fit inside. I don't think that it's going to with the case, but nevertheless, it makes for a pretty good setup. Okay, so now let's get into this unboxing. Nothing. I was hoping for another Razer sticker, but oh, we do. I was hoping for these. I have quite a bit of Razer products, so that's going to be nice. This is your instruction manual. Always with your manuals, don't toss them to the side. Keep this handy, because trust me, down the line it will come in handy. So I'm going to set this back here. I'll set this back because I do like to keep my boxes. I like that, making it secure inside the box. So we'll put this back. We'll leave our stickers out. And here we have it. So this is just going to be an unboxing. I'm not going to get into the functionality. I will have a separate video on that, on it actually functioning. This is going to be an unboxing and then just a little test to see how the phone fits inside. Feels actually kind of sturdy. Things that I have seen about it before was some people said they thought it was kind of flimsy, but nothing so far. So this is going to be our USB-C connector. This is going to be where our, if you have your phone, where you would charge it at. There's another sticker here on the back. We'll pull that off. Like the laser branding. Is this a sticker? Yes, I thought so. Another sticker. We got it done. So there we have it. And if you're unfamiliar, so this is how, one of the reasons that I decided to go with this instead of a less expensive controller was the actual USB Type-C connector on board. It's not through Bluetooth, so it should the connection should be more streamless. So looks like we're going to have an issue here. So definitely the case does not fit. So, and I have not seen anyone use the Note 20 Ultra, so I'm not even sure if it is going to fit, but it does, I think. Oh yes, so we're lucky, guys. We're in luck. Let me unlock the phone first. So our expensive Razer case does not work, and we're gonna have a tight squeeze here if we're able to even get this. Take this off camera for a minute. Okay, so I will tell you that it's pretty much, I don't know if I can say that it's not made for the Note Ultra 20. However, we did get it in here. It was a tight fit, which is a good thing. And look, it's seamless already with no software or anything installed. Now there is software that you will install, but again, let's see, back button. Oh yeah, this is going to be nice. Now, for those of you, as I said, this is just an unboxing to get it. So this, okay. So here we have it. I guess my video cut off. I'm not quite sure where it cut off at, so we're going to start from here. So here is the look. Actually, this looks really good. It really actually looks like, it seems like it's made for this. It was it was kind of difficult to get it into the, you have to stretch out. Hey, can you adjust this though, maybe? No, but it did adjust. But you want to be aware that it is a tight fit, but once it's in there, it's very good. And you take a look at that. Like I said, it is a wide fit. This is just an unboxing to show you how it looks, and this is with the Galaxy Note Ultra. So this is probably a world's first Galaxy Note Ultra in the Razer Kishi. So one last thing I want to show you to be aware of. So this is your Xbox controller. See if we got those in there. So the buttons are the same, B, A, X, Y, joystick here, joystick there, and D-pad. So this is pretty much similar to an Xbox controller. So I don't see any buttons here, here. So when you're playing, yeah, maybe a little learning curve to get used to it. Buttons feel good. I had read somewhere that the buttons, let's see, home screen, yeah, I had read somewhere that the buttons felt flimsy. They don't at all. But hey guys, hope you take a look at the back of it, how it looks. I did go with the white Galaxy Note Ultra, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the white version. It's unfortunate that I can't use it with my Razer case, but nevertheless, there you have it, guys. Hey, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. If you are a subscriber, make sure you have those bell notifications turned on so that when I upload the real review of the Razer Kishi, that you guys are aware of it. Hey, thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.